you're developing a new product, listen up, because 95% of product ideas die before they ever reach the market. I want to be very clear about something right up front. They don't fail because the ideas are bad. They fail because inventors skip 3 critical habits. They rush to build before validating. They hire based on the lowest hourly rate instead of real experience. And they choose manufacturing processes that feel safe, but quietly destroy margins. I'm Adam Taven, co-founder of Rabbit Product Design. Over the last 30 years, I've helped develop more than 2,000 products. My co-founder, Asif Hassan, spent over a decade leading worldwide engineering at Logitech, a billion-dollar company, where the products he launched sold tens of millions of units. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 habits that successful products follow and why skipping even one of them is usually fatal. Habit number 1. Validate before you build. This is the biggest mistake inventors make. They rush straight to prototyping. They spend $15,000, $30,000, sometimes $50,000 before they ever ask the most important questions. Can this be manufactured profitably? Does white space actually exist? Are there patents that block this idea completely? I see this pattern every single week. A beautiful prototype, great renders, clean mechanics, and then reality hits. Manufacturing costs kill the margins, or a patent conflict makes the products legally impossible to sell. Million-dollar products don't start with prototypes. They start with validation. They begin with patent research to find white space, product evaluation to confirm feasibility, and a go-to-market thinking to ensure there is a real business underneath the idea. At Rabbit, we don't just read patent data. We turn it into visual maps to show where competitors exist and where opportunity still lives. We design around existing patents legally instead of crashing into them blindly. Validation costs less than a prototype, and it eliminates 95% of expensive surprises. Skipping this step doesn't save money. It just delays the pain. Habit number 2. Hire senior-level expertise, not the cheapest option. This one traps a lot of smart people. You think you're being disciplined, you hire a $50 an hour freelancer instead of a senior-level engineer. On paper, it looks like you're saving money. In reality, you're doing the opposite. Junior engineers work slower, they need consistent oversight, they build your project while they learn, they make mistakes that show up later in manufacturing costs. When things get hard, they disappear. What we see over and over again is this. Clients pay 2 to 3 times more for a lower quality product with higher long-term costs. At Rabbit, our engineers average 27 years of experience. The same engineer who evaluates your product designs it. The same engineer who designs it supports prototyping. And the same engineer supports production. That continuity matters. Senior engineers design for manufacturability from day one. Yes, the hourly rate is higher, but the total cost is lower. The timeline is faster, and the product is dramatically more profitable. Cheap talent is expensive. Experience pays for itself. If you're worried about wasting money, building the wrong thing, or hiring the wrong team, I've opened up a limited number of free strategy sessions. We'll run your idea through this exact validation process and show you the smartest next step. Click the link in the description to book your free call. Don't gamble with your idea. Habit number 3. Choose manufacturing processes based on reality, not comfort. This is where a lot of inventors get false confidence. They fall into the 3D printing trap. A 3D printing prototype looks great, feels great, sometimes even works great, but it lies to you. The materials behave differently than production materials. The tolerances aren't real. Assembly problems are hidden, and scale changes everything. Inventors fall in love with a prototype, only to discover later that the real materials don't perform the same way. Parts don't fit, and assembly is impossible at scale. What works at 10 units doesn't work at 10,000. Different volumes mean different constraints, different costs, different minimums. Million-dollar products validate performance using production realistic processes. They CNC machine prototypes from actual production materials. They test fit, function, and durability early. They understand unit costs and margins before committing to tooling. At Rabbit, we do exactly that. We deliver CNC prototypes, secure manufacturing quotes, and calculate real unit economics so our clients know the numbers before they gamble on production. Reality beats optimism every time. So let's recap. Smart inventors follow these 3 habits. They validate before building, they hire senior expertise, not the cheapest option, and they choose manufacturing processes based on reality, not guesses. Success isn't about brilliant ideas or massive budgets. It's about the right process, in the right order, with the right team. Every seven-figure product does these three things, and every failure skips at least one. You can gamble with freelancers and 3D prints, or you can partner with a team that's turned over 2,000 ideas into real profitable products. By now, you can probably see how easy it is to waste money chasing the wrong thing. The truth is, you don't need another prototype. You need a plan. That's what my team does every single day. We'll look at your idea, tell you if it's feasible, and show you the smartest way to validate and launch it before you spend $1 in the wrong place. Use the link in the description to book a free strategy session with me. And when you're done, watch my next video right here on this channel, how to protect your idea without going broke. I break down why 90% of inventors should never file a patent and how to protect your idea the right way while actually making money from it.